Experience the future today with the Line, Neom's sustainable high-tech city project. We will be exploring one of the most ambitious and exciting projects in the world today, the Line in Neom City, Saudi Arabia. The Line is part of Neom, a futuristic city project that aims to create a sustainable high-tech city in the northwest of Saudi Arabia. The Line is a linear city that will stretch for 170 kilometers, running entirely on renewable energy and housing 1 million people. So, what makes the Line so special? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk about what the Line actually is. The Line is a city that's designed to be completely carbon neutral and powered entirely by renewable energy sources. It will be built along a straight line with all the city's services and facilities located within a 5-minute walk of any point along the line. One of the most exciting things about the Line is that it will be built from scratch, allowing for a completely new and innovative approach to urban planning. The city's design will prioritize sustainability, with green spaces and pedestrian walkways taking center stage. The Line will be home to 1 million people, and the city's infrastructure will be designed to cater to the needs of its residents. The city will have a state-of-the-art transportation system that includes high-speed trains and autonomous vehicles, reducing the need for cars on the road. In addition to its transportation system, the Line will also feature cutting-edge technology that will make life easier and more convenient for its residents. The city will be home to some of the world's most advanced healthcare facilities and educational institutions, making it an attractive destination for professionals and families. One of the most exciting things about the Line is its commitment to sustainability. The city will be powered entirely by renewable energy, with wind and solar power accounting for a large portion of its energy needs. The city will also feature green spaces and parks, providing a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Line will also be home to some of the world's most innovative architecture, with buildings designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The city's skyline will be a sight to behold, with towering skyscrapers and unique architectural features. The Line is part of a larger project known as Neom, which aims to create a sustainable, high-tech city in the northwest of Saudi Arabia. Neom is a massive undertaking that seeks to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with each other and the world around us. The project has received significant financial backing from Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, who sees Neom as a key driver of economic growth and a way to diversify the country's economy away from oil. But the project is not without controversy. Critics have raised concerns about the environmental impact of building a city from scratch in a largely undeveloped area of Saudi Arabia. Others have criticized the project's human rights record, pointing to the forced relocation of local communities to make way for the city. Despite these concerns, the Saudi government remains committed to the project, seeing it as a way to create a better future for its citizens and a model for sustainable urban development around the world. In conclusion, the Line in Neom City is one of the most exciting and ambitious projects in the world today. Its commitment to sustainability, innovation, and cutting-edge technology makes it a model for future urban development. While there are concerns about the project's impact on the environment and local communities, it represents a bold step forward in the quest to create a better future for all of us. We hope you enjoyed knowing about the Line in Neom City. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care.